Oh, what's up? I didn't see you guys chilling over there. I hope you're enjoying all the content so far. We've got the C20 coming up next week. I hope you're enjoying all the vlogs I've been dropping and the how-tos. So if you guys have been enjoying the content, make sure you drop a like on all my videos, hit that subscribe button, check out my links, and support the sponsors below that support me and make my channel happen. I'll keep it coming for you guys if you keep it coming for me. So yeah, we got a little plumbing, a little shop action, doing the lift kit on the rear end of my truck, plumbing up some stuff, you know, just usual Bert things. As we always say here over at Bert Builds, nothing to it but to do it. You know, you never know if you can do something until you fucking try it, so that's something that a lot of people don't understand, you know. You gotta do something, you know, you gotta start trying to do it before, oh no, I can't do that. I don't trust myself to do that. Things like that are impossible. What do you mean? What are you gonna do? Pay someone else to do it? Yeah, they might be a little faster than you because they're a professional, but nothing you can't do if you think about it.
We've been fighting demons and feelings inside, yeah. Sipping syrup, popping these perks, we can't hide now. Why you gotta take them when they underground? This shit hitting different for me, I can't lie. I've been using music as a way to get out, taking pills and drinking till we forget what we bout. I thought we made magic, but now there's no out. Uh-oh, no out. We've been fighting demons and feelings inside, yeah. Sipping syrup, popping these perks, we can't hide now. Why you gotta take them when they underground? This shit hitting different for me, I can't lie. 3 in the morning came way too quickly. Gone from my vision, but never our history. Legends be dying off way too swiftly.
Toilet installation, shower head, sink. I lost my keys to my truck, so I stayed late, searched for hours, can't find them. So that pretty much ruined what was otherwise a really good day today, because I did that service call with my license guy. We killed it on that. I installed the toilet, garbage disposal, dishwasher in like no time at all. Come back here, kick some ass doing some drainage. Freaking pants with a hole in the pocket. So my keys are gone. Just like this smelly dumpster. Fucking sucks. My eyes are hurting. I'm sweating my nuts off over here in the sun. Keys are gone. Install video on some lights and wiring today. That's not gonna happen. Hey man, how's it going?
How you doing, man?
Good, good.
That you a smoker, why you got a pipe? Make a move and I'ma bet you with this fucking pipe, bitch.
All right guys, so here we have a laundry box. That's the drain going down to the trap. This is the water supply. I had to move it. It used to come down right here and they put it right where my box had to go. So I'm a drainage guy, and then there's a water pipe crew. So they had their box right here, or it was actually right here, which is where I need to have room to swing my trap through because I can't go this way and come get it. But yeah, so I'm moving that. And then off of this box right here, off of the drain, just like right here. Every laundry room, so this is a laundry room. Every laundry room has a pan drain and a drain for it right here. Run it up, hit that hole, go down that bay.
Be dying off way too swiftly. I ain't there now, but if I die, would you miss me? Too many names been popping up in our newsfeed. They all changing our lives. We need these legends to take lead. Don't be drowning your feelings with the drugs that end up. We gotta stick together now and not go before third.
Rafters. Good old rafters. Got my pipe stuffed up there. Hole is down there. We're up through this hole now. Continuation, boys. lunch. Oh, get some lunch. There it is. After lunch here, hopefully be wrapping up soon. Dangerous. Oh, there's my ladder. There you are, babe. Come find you. Now I got it. Got my ladder. But yeah, I just gotta go finish up one more laundry pan. Just kick some safety glasses. One more laundry pan and some other stuff, and we'll get out of here. Head to Charlie's.
Fucking move or what? Come on.
This thing probably not. I mean, I'll try and hop up there, but
Probably not gonna fucking do much.
we'll see.
We just need to get it to hit this side of the ground. Oh, we're close.
One. Wait. One.
Oh, just hold on. There it is.
Forward.
Right there.
Oh
Man.
yeah. I forgot. That's just fucked. $500. Dude must have like. What if you were like, nah, I don't want it.
People said they didn't want it because of the framework. But I already did it like fucking. This is gonna be like fucking second time in a month doing it, so.
Dude, like it looks like decent too. There we go.
Wonderful.
Oh hey.
What's that?
Spencer. Sitting at the garage.
How's that drive shaft, pal?
What? Me, Tony, Bert, Mooney.
We've been fighting deep.
Here we go, we got the U-bolts here, blocks for installing. So first things first, we gotta take the tires off, then the shocks. Once we have those off, then we can unbolt the U-bolts and jack stand the bed up a little. I'll show you. Bolting the lugs, then we're gonna jack the truck up and get the old ones off, paint up the shocks, and yeah. So I'll see you. So these are your 4 bolts going up to your stock U-bolts right here. U-bolts. Then you have 4 22mm bolts down here on the bottom. So you can get your rear axle and jack stands when you jack it up. Yeah, this thing's too uneven. I'm gonna have to use a cinder block. Any movement?
Nope.
I've been using music as a way to get out, taking pills and drinking till we forget what we bout. I thought we made magic, but now there's no out. I've been losing my mind, trying to figure it out, but I'm stuck in a drought. I guess I'll start again.
I've been losing my mind, trying to figure it out, but I'm stuck in this house. I am my only friend.
Lately I know I've been a punk and I need to sober up. Double cup, it got me stuck, I think I'm losing it. It's every time that I've been getting stuck, in a line inside my head with my friends that they've been dead since I made it out. It's every time that you cross my mind, remember the times, but I know that you won't ever change. I'm not sobering up, sick and tired of love. If you draw that line, babe, I hope you know I'm crossing it. I've been losing my mind, trying to figure it out, but